Dates are more than just a sweet fruit. They are a cultural and economic staple in many countries, especially in the Middle East and North Africa. Grown in some of the harshest climates, dates have a rich history dating back thousands of years. Their long shelf life, high nutritional value, and natural sweetness make them a prized commodity in global markets. Each year, farmers harvest millions of tons of dates, supplying fresh and dried varieties to consumers worldwide. From Ramadan feasts to energy snacks, dates are used in countless ways. With demand growing globally, efficient and sustainable harvesting practices have become more important than ever. Dates are primarily cultivated in hot, arid regions where other crops might struggle to survive. Leading producers include countries like Egypt, Saudi Arabia, Iran, Iraq, and the United Arab Emirates. However, date farming has also expanded to regions like California, Tunisia, and parts of India. These regions offer the perfect combination of long, dry summers and rich, wool-drained soil essential for optimal date palm growth. Farmers in these areas have mastered techniques passed down through generations to maintain healthy groves and maximize yield. Growing a productive date palm starts with selecting the right variety, such as Medjool, Deglet Noor, or Bari. These trees are often grown from offshoots rather than seeds to ensure quality and consistency. Once planted, young date palms require careful watering and soil management during their first few years. Farmers use drip irrigation systems to deliver water directly to the roots, conserving resources in arid environments. The palms are usually spaced several meters apart to allow for adequate sunlight and airflow, which are crucial for healthy fruit development. It can take up to 4 to 7 years before a palm tree begins producing dates, but once mature, it can yield hundreds of kilograms of fruit annually. With proper care, a single tree can continue producing for decades, making it a valuable long-term investment. The flowering stage is one of the most critical phases in date production. Each palm tree produces either male or female flowers, so farmers must manually transfer pollen to ensure fruit formation. This hand pollination technique is a time-tested tradition that significantly increases yield. After successful pollination, the fruit begins to grow in large clusters, with each bunch containing hundreds of individual dates. The fruit passes through multiple stages of development, from kimri, unripe, to rutab, semi-ripe, and finally to tamr, fully ripe. Water is a precious resource in date-growing regions, so farmers rely on precision irrigation systems to maintain ideal moisture levels. Drip lines deliver water efficiently, reducing waste and ensuring each tree receives just the right amount. In addition to water management, climate plays a major role in fruit quality. Dates thrive in environments with high daytime temperatures and low humidity. These conditions accelerate ripening and help develop the fruit's natural sugars. In many traditional farms, workers climb the towering date palms manually using ropes or harnesses. They carefully cut the heavy date clusters and lower them to the ground using baskets or pulleys. This method is labor-intensive but still widely used in many parts of the world. Modern farms, however, are turning to mechanized harvesting platforms and cherry picker-style machines that can lift workers safely to the top of trees. These machines reduce the time and effort needed for harvesting and allow for more frequent fruit collection. Once harvested, the dates are transported to processing centers where they undergo a rigorous sorting process. Workers or machines remove damaged or unripe fruits, leaving only the best for packaging. Next comes cleaning. Dates are washed thoroughly to remove dust, debris, or insects. Advanced systems use air blowers, vibrating screens, and water jets to ensure the fruits are clean and safe to eat. After grading, the dates are packed into boxes, trays, or vacuum-sealed bags depending on their destination. Many factories use automated packaging machines to speed up the process and maintain hygiene standards. Storage is key to preserving the freshness and sweetness of the fruit. Dates are kept in temperature-controlled warehouses, with some varieties requiring refrigeration to extend shelf life. Whether heading to local markets or international retailers, efficient logistics and cold chain systems ensure that the fruit arrives in top condition. Dates are often called a superfruit, for good reason. They're rich in fiber, potassium, iron, and natural sugars. Many people use them as a natural energy booster or as a healthier substitute for refined sugar in recipes. Countries around the world now include dates in breakfast cereals, protein bars, and smoothies. The world of date farming is evolving rapidly. With climate change and population growth, the need for sustainable and efficient agriculture has never been greater. Fortunately, farmers are adopting new technologies like drone monitoring, smart irrigation, and AI-driven yield prediction. Despite all the innovation, the essence of date farming remains rooted in tradition. Generations of farmers continue to share their wisdom while embracing tools that make the process faster and more productive.
Please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell icon. Write your suggestions into comment box. Stay tuned for more amazing content.